Boys and girls, we have been analyzing characters' feelings and their motivations by looking closely at their words and their actions. Today, we're going to make inferences about a character's internal traits, that is, the kind of person they are on the inside, by looking again at their words and their actions. Take, for example, the story of Brave Irene. We can tell that Irene is a thoughtful character because she says, "Poor mama," and she says, "I can get it there," when her mother is too sick to deliver the dress to the Duchess. We can tell that she's a loving character because she kisses her mother on the forehead 6 times. We definitely know that she's determined. The wind tries to push her down and it seemingly says, "Stop," and she says, "I will do no such thing." She's definitely tough. She fell over and twisted her ankle, but still manages to get up and keep moving. And we know that she is an honest character because even though it was hard to do so, she decided to go tell the Duchess what happened to the dress. In the story Hooray for Wadney Wat, we can see that Wadney is a shy character because while the other rodents scurried and scooted about at recess, Wadney hid inside his jacket. We could infer that he's a quiet character because in the text it says his squeak could barely be heard in class. We might perhaps infer that he's lonely. In the text it says he gnawed his lunch alone. Maybe he feels embarrassed because when the students ask him about how a train travels, he says, "A twain travels on a twain twacks," and he says that miserably. And we can infer that he is scared. In the text it says the tiny, trembling leader of the game stood before the eager players, his head well inside his jacket, and he squeaked.